Good morning, children. Welcome to Max class. In this video, we are going to see how to find square root of decimal numbers. Exercise 1.4, 8th problem, 3rd subdivision. We are asked to find square root of the decimal number 2.0164. We are going to use long division method, but there is a slight change in this method. We will learn about that as we solve this problem. The part which comes before the decimal point is called integral part, and the part which comes after the decimal point is called decimal part. First, let us do pairing. While we do pairing, we start from the decimal point. In the integral part, mark the periods from the right, and in the decimal part, mark the periods from the left. In the integral part, we have only one digit, that is 2. So 2 alone form a period. Here in the decimal point, 0 and 1 form a period, and 6 and 4 form another period. We know that 1 square is 1 and 2 square is 4, which is greater than 2. So let's take 1 square. Write 1 in divisor place and in quotient place. 1 ones are 1. Subtract. We get 1 as the remainder. Bring down the next period. That is 0, 1. Since we brought 0, 1 that comes after the decimal point, you put this decimal point in quotient place also. Now multiply the quotient by 2. 1 2 is 2. So the new divisor is 2 followed by a digit. Let us find the required digit. The required digit is 4. As I explained earlier, if I assume the required digit to be 5, the product is 125, which is greater than 101. So we are stopping at 96. So the digit which comes after 2 is 4. Write 4 in quotient place. Write 96. Subtract 5. Now bring down the next period. Now the new dividend is 564. Multiply the quotient by 2. We get 28. The new divisor is 28 followed by a digit. Let us find that digit. Since the new dividend ends with 4, the required digit has to be 2 or 8. So let us try with 2 first. When I multiply by 2, I get the product 564. So the required digit is 2. Write in the quotient place also. Subtract it. I get 0. So write the answer. Root of 2.0164 is equal to 1.42. .0164 is equal to 1.42. Let us do one more problem. Example 1.29. Find the value of square root of 42.25. Here, decimal point splits the number into two parts. The digits which comes before the decimal point are called integral part, and the digits that come after the decimal point are called decimal part. First, let us do pairing. So as I said in the previous problem, decimal point is the starting point. So to form periods in the integral part, you move towards the left. So 2 and 4 form a period. And to form period in the decimal point, you move towards the right. Here 2 and 5 form a period. Now take the first period 42. Find a square number that is equal to or just less than 42. Here 7 square equal to 49, that is greater than 42. So you take 6 square. Write 6 in quotient place and in divisor place. 6 6 are 36. Subtracted from 42. We get 6. Bring the next period down. Since we have brought the period that comes after the decimal point, you keep the decimal point in the quotient also. Now the new dividend is 625. Multiply the quotient by 2. Six twos are 12. So the new divisor is 12 followed by a digit. Here the new dividend ends with 5. So the required digit has to be 5. Let us check. 5, put 5 in the required digits place and multiply by 5. So we get 625. So write 5 in the required digits place and in the quotient. 625 subtracted, we get 0. So square root of 42.25 is equal to 6.5. Answer: square root of 42.25 equal to 6.5. Similar problems I have given you as homework. I hope you will do it correctly. Thank you.